I mean, I remember that guy now. I get one of the videos where I even write, where I even talk about the boy. That boy will go protest, where they arrest him. My people, they first carry and go Abuja. Yes, they fly am. See, on a normal day, they don't go fly person. Imagine for me, for now to know say this NSAS, they serious. They even fly am. Yes, aeroplane. They fly and go Abuja. Now there they go keep am. So this boy they there since 7th of November. Now, oh, politicians. Now they bring am and they talk say now they on bail. Yes. And now 1 million naira. Una know wetin be 1 million naira? Hey, which crime this boy commit? Abeg, which crime? Say him protest for him own right. They go arrest him. As if say you no even dey enough. After they arrest him now, no be to let this boy go freely. They can't tell us say he go pay 1 million naira just like that. Now him mama can come outside. Even the mama, oh Lord, mothers are the best people in this life. The mama can come outside, come they cry. On top, see, if now another person, she supposed come outside, come they shout, they make noise. The woman even they talk well, like she they talk nicely. I dey sure say na the frustration because as she go down the house, they think her child, she no even feel the chop. Now where they don't even talk 1 million naira. Una know how mothers they behave. She no get choice. She go even prefer to pay that 1 million as long as say her pikin go free. I beg, make una watch the video of the mother for una we never watch her.
Today's verdict.
Can I get you to look into the camera?
Today's verdict gives hope for the common man in Nigeria. Today's verdict shows that there is still equity in this nation and there is still justice. Today's verdict shows that the judges can do the right thing. The judiciary is still the last resort for the common man. Today's verdict shows that the future of the Nigerian youth is in their hands and they should continue to ask for the best. We have rejected that Nigeria is the poverty capital of the world. We reject Nigeria being the poverty capital of the world. We are saying Nigeria cannot be complacent and be contented in poverty in the midst of plenty. We are rejecting that. Nigerians must enjoy, just like the senators are enjoying. We are paying their salaries and they are enjoying. Every Nigerian has the right to enjoy in this nation. And I said to the Nigerian youth, this one was okay generation. I lost my heart. I Luther, to all the Nigerian youth, I stand with Arons. Thank you.
That video, if I dey watch her, it dey do me somehow. You detain person for fighting for a right. Now you dey demand 1 million naira. If I be this guy, I will sue all the police people. Yes, and for all of una police people, politicians who una go arrest this boy. In case una no know, this boy don't turn popular. Yes, now so they start. No be so Naira Marley too. It happened to them. No be smart, no be prison. The important thing be say after you come out for prison, you go become star. Abi, I heard. I dey sure say many of una self una go prefer that choice. Say if they lock you up, as you they come outside, you go be celebrity. Many of una go agree. So now, for all of una, now so una no know whether una they push person go in destiny, and this boy now go become one big person. Very soon, make una no wait. Now small. Now, even for this thing, Peru, ordinary Peru president, where 2 people die by mistake for Peru, the man resigned. Yes, in case una no know, he resigned because 2 people died by mistake. Not be even say they shoot him or anything. No, they died by mistake. This man resigned. Now for Nigeria, they go just they kill people like say nothing they happen. Like say na their daily bread, their daily actions. Una no know what una they expect for front. Make una wait. Politicians. Oh, repent. Oh, repent. Jesus is coming soon. All of una. Now yeah, go there, go still bring una matter when they don't catch all of una. Make una no worry. I beg my people, now here with their precaution, make una no forget. And I want to know how una they feel. What una they think for this matter, for this boy. He good as they bill am 1 million naira. Abi they suppose let am go free. Abi, I want to know what una they think, my people. May no be say now only me come they suggest for this matter. I want to know una opinion. So drop am there for the comment section. Don't forget subscribe if you never subscribe. Hit the notification button so that anytime when new video there, you go be the first to know. Take care of yourself.